Mary had never considered herself fragile. At 67, she still prided herself on her independence, tending her garden, walking her dog through quiet neighborhood streets, and visiting her grandchildren on weekends. Life had a rhythm she enjoyed, small routines that made her feel capable, confident, and alive. Yet lately, something had begun to change. Her legs felt heavy, stiff, and uncooperative. Climbing stairs left her breathless. Simple errands became a struggle. The vibrant energy she remembered from years past seemed to drain a little each day, replaced by an invisible weight she could neither explain nor shake. One particular evening, after yet another night of tossing and turning with dull aches and leg cramps, Mary sat on the edge of her bed, her hands trembling slightly as she rubbed her calves. She whispered to herself, "Is this what growing old is supposed to feel like? Am I losing the strength I've always counted on?" The silence in her room felt almost oppressive, amplifying the fear and frustration she hadn't admitted to anyone. She thought about all the times she had danced at family weddings, chased after her grandchildren in the park, and carried heavy groceries without a second thought. Could all of that ease, agility, and strength really be fading now? Determined to find answers, Mary spent the next few nights scrolling through forums, articles, and videos on muscle loss, aging, and recovery. Most advice was generic: exercise more, eat more protein, stay active. But none of it addressed the fundamental question haunting her: why her body, despite her best efforts, seemed to betray her strength. Then, one night, she discovered a recorded medical lecture by a researcher specializing in aging. The speaker's calm voice carried a startling revelation. After 60, your muscles don't repair as efficiently as they once did. True rebuilding doesn't happen in the gym alone. It happens during sleep. Nighttime recovery is when the body grows stronger, repairs fibers, and rebuilds muscle. Mary repeated the phrase like a mantra, her mind spinning with curiosity and hope. Could it really be that her body had been ready to rebuild all along, but only if given the right support at the right time? The idea ignited a spark within her, a sense of possibility she hadn't felt in months. The next morning, armed with this new insight, Mary visited a local health store. The shelves were lined with supplements of every color, shape, and promise. Magnesium, calcium, vitamin D3, B12, zinc, all claiming to restore vitality. Overwhelmed, she wasn't sure where to begin. An older clerk noticed her hesitation. "Looking for something specific?" she asked. Mary explained her struggle. Heavy, weak legs, restless nights, and the fear of losing independence. The clerk's eyes softened. "You're not alone," she said. "Most people over 60 don't realize that rebuilding strength happens at night. Your muscles, nerves, and bones are repairing themselves while you sleep, if you give them the right support." She guided Mary to a quiet section labeled nighttime support and held up 5 bottles. "These are the nutrients that work while you sleep, helping repair, strengthen, and restore mobility. Take them consistently before bed, and your body will reward you in ways you didn't think possible." That night, Mary began her new ritual. She poured herself a warm glass of water, took the supplements, and sat by her window, the night sky stretching endlessly beyond the glass. The crickets sang softly outside, and for the first time in weeks, a sense of anticipation stirred within her. She closed her eyes, imagining her muscles relaxing, fibers repairing, and strength returning with each breath. Little did she know, this simple nightly ritual would transform her life in profound ways. Vitamin 1, magnesium. Magnesium is the foundation of muscle recovery, particularly for seniors. Most adults over 60 suffer from lower magnesium levels, which can manifest as stiffness, cramps, or restless legs during the night. In Mary's case, she had felt that tight, unyielding heaviness in her calves that seemed to gnaw at her mobility. Magnesium works by relaxing muscles and nerves, allowing protein synthesis, the essential process your body uses to repair damaged muscle fibers, to occur more efficiently while you sleep. As Mary continued her nightly magnesium routine, she began noticing subtle yet undeniable changes. The dull, persistent cramps that had haunted her for weeks gradually diminished. She woke feeling lighter, her legs more supple, and the once familiar twinges had started to fade. Magnesium didn't just alleviate discomfort, it encouraged the body to repair itself at the cellular level, rebuilding muscles that had weakened due to age, inactivity, or previous strain. Magnesium's influence isn't limited to muscles alone. It also regulates nerve function, helping signals travel efficiently between the brain and limbs. Mary discovered that as her magnesium levels improved, her coordination and balance subtly enhanced. Movements that once felt awkward or hesitant, bending to tie her shoes, lifting light groceries, or stepping onto uneven pavement, became fluid and controlled. Over time, magnesium quietly strengthened not just her legs but her confidence. She began to walk with a straighter posture, her steps lighter and more deliberate, as if each muscle fiber was remembering its former vitality. By the third week, the transformation was tangible. Her nighttime aches had diminished significantly, and climbing the stairs no longer required her to pause halfway. Magnesium had laid the groundwork for the recovery process, creating an environment in which her muscles could rebuild naturally during sleep. Vitamin 2, Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is often called the sunshine vitamin, but after 60, the skin's ability to synthesize it diminishes, making supplementation crucial. Vitamin D3 doesn't just support bone density, it plays a central role in muscle function. When taken at night, it helps calcium absorption, enhances muscle strength, and improves balance, key factors in preventing falls and regaining mobility. For Mary, the impact of D3 became evident within days. Her legs felt more responsive, her movements coordinated, and her stamina slowly returning. Climbing stairs became less daunting, and short walks felt easier than before. Vitamin D3 also supports the nervous system, aiding in the communication between muscles and the brain. This meant that not only were Mary's muscles rebuilding, but her body was learning to use them more efficiently. The combination of magnesium and vitamin D3 worked in harmony. While magnesium relaxed and repaired muscles, D3 strengthened them, improving endurance and resilience. Mary began to notice a pattern. Nights were no longer defined by discomfort and tossing in bed, but by deep, restorative sleep that left her body ready for the day ahead. This sense of recovery was both physical and emotional. She felt a renewed connection to her body, an awareness that despite her age, she could still reclaim strength, confidence, and independence. Vitamin 3, calcium. Calcium is widely known for its role in building strong bones, but it also has a critical function in muscle contraction. Without sufficient calcium, muscles can cramp or fail to respond properly, reducing strength and coordination. Taking calcium at night ensures better absorption and allows the body to use it effectively during sleep to repair and strengthen both bones and muscles. Mary noticed her movements becoming smoother, her legs more stable, and her balance improving. Tasks that once required hesitation, like bending, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods, became more manageable. Calcium, combined with magnesium and vitamin D3, created a synergy that transformed her nightly recovery into a powerful, rebuilding process. Vitamin 4, Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health, ensuring that the brain and muscles communicate efficiently. Deficiencies can lead to weakness, tingling, and slow responses. By taking B12 at night, Mary's nerves were better able to recover and repair, which translated into improved coordination and quicker reflexes. She noticed subtle differences at first: more stable footing while walking, easier bending, and less fatigue when performing everyday tasks. Over weeks, B12 became a key factor in her regained independence, allowing her to move confidently and without hesitation. Vitamin 5, zinc. Zinc aids in muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and boosts immune function. Its role is particularly important for seniors whose bodies recover more slowly. Nighttime supplementation ensures that microdamage in muscles is repaired efficiently, reducing soreness and enhancing recovery. For Mary, zinc completed the nighttime formula. By the fourth week, soreness from climbing stairs, walking, or gardening had decreased significantly. Combined with magnesium, D3, calcium, and B12, Zinc helped her body rebuild, restore strength, and awaken each morning stronger than the day before. And there you have it, the 5 powerful nighttime vitamins that helped Mary rebuild her strength, step by step, and rediscover the freedom she thought she'd lost forever. Aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means learning how to give your body what it truly needs to thrive. If you're over 60, remember, your muscles still have life, your energy can return, and your strength can grow again, one peaceful night at a time. If this story inspired you, or if you want to keep your body strong and your legs steady through every chapter of life, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We share new, science-backed health videos every week designed especially for people over 60 who want to stay active, independent, and full of energy. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. It lets us know you want more natural ways to stay strong. And tell us in the comments below, which of these vitamins are you planning to start tonight? Your story might just inspire someone else to take that same first step. Until next time, sleep well, stay strong, and remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning. Crescent moon flexed biceps.